Alright, hello again. A lot of my videos are going to follow the same type of format, so when you get the file, you're going to get it zipped. You're going to unzip it, open the folder, and you're going to see a video, which this is the video I'm doing. When you get it, it'll have it in there. A README file and the Unity package. Go ahead and open the README, and you'll see there's a chord change. So we're going to look for this line in playerchat.s. What I usually do is just open my Visual Studio and go up here and search for it in the project. Then it found it. Open it up. Alright, so it wants us to replace it with this. So what we're going to do is comment that out and then paste this one underneath. You could also just delete this too, but if you wanted to change it later, it's easier to have it there so you can comment it out. When you finalize your code though, I like to delete all this comment, the less I just don't like all the clutter. Anyway, so we've done that core change. So now we'll ignore this because I've already pre-done that for you. But if you want to make a new word filter, you would do this. Um, Add all words to the word filter object and select the player chat component. Alright, we'll do all that once we actually have the add-on in. So I like to take my location here to save it, so when we go to Unity, I can just ignore that error because that will go away once we install this in. Import a new package, and this is why I saved that location, so I can paste it and go to it. Since it already recognizes we were there, that's why it went there, but it would have taken me to it otherwise. And then here is what we're importing. Import it all in. I'm tired, so if I'm not making a whole lot of sense, just keep watching the video over and over until you get it. Okay, so now inside this microrecon folder, we have WordFilter add-on. This filters folder, let's go read our README. Add all words to the word filter object that you want to prohibit and select the player chat component on each one of your player prefabs and add that to it in the inspector. Alright, so anyway, we want to drag this filters down into resources so it'll load. And this is where you'll enter your bad words that you don't want people to say. So we'll go ahead and pick one and type noob. Okay. And now it says to go to the player prefab. I can't believe my Unity just crashed again. I'm so sick of this version. I'm changing versions. You guys can use whatever you want to, but this is getting pretty ridiculous whenever I try to do a video and I can't do it because it crashes and I look stupid in the middle of the video. So I apologize for that, but it's the shitty ass Unity version I'm using. I never had this problem with the other one that I used. Only with this one. And I've heard that this point 0.8 crashes a lot. I know Death Pumpkin says he doesn't have any problems with it, and some people don't, but I've had nothing but problems with it. It could be because I use Windows 7. I don't know. So anyway, back to the player prefabs. God, Unity is so touchy. Go down to player chat, the player chat script, and look for the bad word filter. You'll need to do this on all the characters you want to use, but I'm just going to do it on the warrior to show you that it works. So that should be all we had to do. Make sure that the filter stayed. Of course it didn't. Yeah, let's just use Unity. I hate it anyway. Alright, so the filter's set. We set it on the player. There's nothing else to do. Let's test it. Installing this add-on will also make it easier to use the player name add-on. The band player name, whatever you want to call it. God, I'm so sick of this video recorder too. Alright, so now, whenever I type the word Unity, it should say, this name cannot be used. Now if I type in noob, I can use it because I didn't use that name. So Unity sucks, so we don't want to use it. And that's the end of that 7 minute, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 second fiasco. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Sorry Unity crashed and everything took so long, but that's how you install the add-on. As you can see, it does work fine. Ignore the Unity crash. Hopefully you don't have that problem. I'm going to use my other version of Unity at some point and see if I can get smoother videos going. Thanks for watching.